Now we're going to be looking at appreciation. Now this is when the value of something increases over time. Okay, so such as land, or when inflation happens, the value increases over time, doesn't it? So the appreciation formula is V equals to P times 1 plus R to the power of N, where V is our future value, okay? And P, R, N is basically the same as all our compound interest formula. P is our initial value, or the principal value at the very beginning. R, the rate in decimal, and N is the number of terms. Okay? Now, it's pretty much the same as the compound interest formula. So you can think of it like that. So you can think of it as not memorizing a whole new formula, but make sure V is our future value that happens after an increase happens. Okay? So let's try an example. At the start of 1995, a town had a population of 12,000. Now, since then, the population has increased annually by 5% of the existing population. Find its population at the start of the year 2000. Okay, so year by year, the population is increasing. So we want to find how much the population becomes at the year 2000. So from the start of 1995 to the start of 2000, there's 5 years difference, isn't it? So there's 5 years gap. So P is our initial value of 12,000. That was the original population. Now rate is 5%, or 0.05 as a decimal, and the number of years is our 5 years. Okay, so put it into our appreciation formula, put all the values in, not a big deal, put it in your calculator, that's what you should get. So at the end of the year 2000, we have that much people, and as you can see, it's more number of people than what we started off with, okay, because appreciation happened. So let's try a question. Question 18 says, if the national inflation rate is 4.2% per annum, find the expected cost of a $10 book in 10 years' time, correcting to the nearest cent. Okay, so because of inflation, the value of the book will increase over time. So let's find how much that book will become. So the principal value, or the initial value, is $10. Okay, $10 at the very start. The rate is 4.2%, and how many years? It took 10 years. So we want to find the value after 10 years' time. So put it into our appreciation formula. $10 was the book now. 1 plus the rate of inflation to the power of the number of years is going to be $15.09. Just put it into your calculator. And again, as you can see, it's a little more than how much it was initially, okay, because of the appreciation. That's appreciation.